chest press bridge, single arm press. So you're gonna start with both arms straight up, press up into your bridge, make sure you have that nice long line from your rib cage to pelvis, no overarching of the spine. Ground that into place, and then you're gonna inhale as you lower one arm, exhale. Alternate sides. If this is your first time or your first few times trying this exercise, and then as you get stronger, you can maintain the press on one side, being thoughtful that your pelvis doesn't shift or rock in the process, and then switch sides to work on endurance. Side plank progression here with an oblique challenge. So you're holding here, lower that weight parallel to the floor, exhale to open it back up. Being thoughtful that as you lower that weight that the hips don't start to sink, keep them pressed forward so that you stay lifted throughout. Plank with a weighted pull. You're gonna inhale here, exhale, slide your weight across, exhale, slide it across. Being thoughtful that your body isn't shifting too far side to side in order to pull that weight across. Exhaling as you pull throughout. Chest flies with a single leg reach. So we're adding a bit of an abdominal challenge here. So we're gonna start with both arms straight up, palms facing in. Bring one leg to tabletop, other leg to meet it. You're gonna inhale here as you open and extend a leg long. Exhale to close and bring it back in. Inhale to open, exhale to close. So as you reach that arm and leg out, be thoughtful that your rib cage to pelvis connection stays maintained. Otherwise, options here to modify are to reach that leg up higher for support and or move the arms only part of the way until you gain more strength to move through the entire range while staying connected throughout. Incline push up here. So I'm beginning with my hands a little bit wider than shoulder distance apart. My feet are hip distance apart. I'm keeping that long line from my head to my pelvis. I'm gonna inhale as I lower my chest to the table. Exhale to push all the way back up. Inhale to lower, my elbows are out on about a 30-degree angle. Exhale to come back up. Be thoughtful that as you lower down, you're not jutting your head here. Hold that imaginary peach or orange underneath your chin and maintain that as you press back up. If you notice that it's difficult to lower all the way down, feel free to walk the feet in a little bit more so you're slightly more vertical. That's going to give a bit more support. To challenge it, we're gonna walk out a little bit further, or we can even go lower on another surface to challenge the body until eventually being able to bring it all the way down onto the floor.